So, how did I know about adding the DLL in which one specifically? Well, in here I kind of cheated, so to speak, because when you create a new Simple Sharp Pro, in this declaration of if include sample code, here it shows you using this, and then it gives you hints. For UI devices, include the Simple Sharp Pro.UI DLL as a reference. That's how I knew there which one to pull in. So, how else do you know for other stuff that you want to do? There's other hints through various projects, and CrestronLabs.com is another great place. Knowing somebody that's done some stuff like this is a great place. And if you look here on reference.crestron.com, here is their documentation on all of their libraries and their namespaces. So, for example, that one that we did, again, over here, using Crestron Simple Sharp Pro.ui. Well, here is the Crestron.simplesharppro.ui namespace. So reference.crestron.com, then I come and click down here, and a whole bunch of jazz is in here. I'm just going to go down. There's Xpanel for Smart Graphics. I'll just click on that one just to show. Because if we look here, public, I declared a public variable named my Xpanel, and that variable type is Xpanel for Smart Graphics. Using that namespace, this is it. This is the type of variable that I created. So see also under here, you can click Xpanel for Smart Graphics namespace, and you can see all of the methods, properties, variables, events, everything that has to do with this. So this documentation is basically going to show you how to implement it. So, okay, cool. So for example, you can see down here, right, sig change. Event triggered when queue information is received from an event. Blah, blah, blah. Well, okay, cool. So that's one of the things we're going to need to know how to use is a sig change event. So we could then click on that, and it will give us a whole bunch of jazz more, and this gets detailed, and I don't want to go too far down that path. I just want to show you reference.crestron.com is going to show you the namespaces, and it's going to allow you to look up all of this jazz that you may be curious about and how to implement, and what you actually, not just curious, but what you're going to need to know in order to implement.